Hello friends, I am Dr. Harsha Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor of Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. Friends, today we will discuss about Civil Procedure Code. There are two types of laws, substantive laws and procedural laws. Substantive laws, they determine rights and obligations or liabilities of persons. For example, Transfer of Property Act or Law of Contract. In case of Law of Contract, the law determines rights as well as duties of contracting parties. Industrial Disputes Act is another example where the Act defines the various authorities, it confers rights over the stakeholders, and it also imposes duties or obligations on the concerned authorities, employers and workers. These are the examples of civil procedural law. Indian Penal Code is example of criminal substantive law. By this or by criminal substantive law, I here mean law that defines the offence, that gives the essentials of the offence that will constitute the offence, and punishment provided under the code. So, substantive laws, they determine rights and obligations or liabilities of the parties. These are civil substantive laws, and criminal substantive laws define offences and provide punishment for the offences. As regards procedural laws, the procedural laws prescribe practice, procedure and machinery for enforcement of the rights and liabilities, rights given by the substantive law and liabilities imposed by the substantive law. Examples of procedural law are Civil Procedure Code, Criminal Procedure Code, Limitation Act, Law of Evidence. Procedural laws prescribe the practice, how to exercise the rights. It gives the procedure, and the codes or substantive laws, they provide machinery for enforcement of the rights or liabilities. Thank you friends. In the next lecture, we will see about introductory terms or terms that are very frequently used in the code.